Hello, you're welcome to IAHB Herbal Center. My name is Mr. Humbatore Popo. I have station for Nungwa, Tamale, Kumasi, all that place for Ghana here. I have station. Any problem at all, you have it here. Like this, we sell different type of the medicine. Any medicine at all you want it, we have all the medicine here. Any sickness at all will disturb you. First, we have medicine for eye problem, waist pain, gonorrhea, fever, hypertension, low sperm count, different things. We have some medicine for big penis. Is it some small medicine? If your penis make small, it will make them big and long. We have medicine for diabetes. If you are somebody, you have diabetes, we have medicine for that. It will cure you. If you have prostate cancer, maybe you go hospital. He put some rubber inside your penis. You go move, but the medicine will cure all your diabetes for you. The people they say diabetes not the finish. The people are must lie. Let me tell you, my brother. Diabetes they finish. My father sent me to Ghana here. Say I should take diabetes medicine and cure the Ghana people. Everybody who they suffer of the diabetes. After that, this are life. If you have problem, some sickness they disturb you. You dey find work, you know they see. You dey find husband, you know they see. You dey find marry, you know they see. You dey find woman, you know they see. You are somebody, you dey find woman, you know they see. You are some woman, you dey find man who go marry you, do everything for you for your life, you know they see. You dey see some woman they drive heavy car. There's some woman they drive heavy car. You think say it be simple like that? It don't be simple. It be somewhere it pass. Why you two know one pass somewhere? Pass of somewhere, we go help you. Anything what you want for your life, my father day go help you. You have some sickness, you run. You pass every hospital. You go the place, you don't see any answer. My brother, come Herbal Popo Center, IAHB Herbal. Kampopo Herbal Center. You go see results. My father they do consultation. He go check your life. He go check your life and know exactly the thing will disable you for your life. He go tell you what and what you go do. Where your star go bright. What and what you go do where your star go bright. My father go tell you all. Any problem at all you have it. My father day for all that thing will take him power to help you people. My father, he have some big followers. If you come to him, he said they do well for you. Anything who will disable you, if my father, they do well for you. If you want protection for lever and lever, where you follow my father, go him flawless. You get protection for lever and lever. My brother, let me tell you. Don't leave yourself. Sometimes, if you don't know, you take a road they go somewhere. See like this. The people put some black powder inside a road for you. It enter your body. You don't know. You see your hand, your leg, you don't see anything. How you go see? Your eyes no open like that. You open your gate. Come front of your gate. You enter problem inside. You don't know. You take your car. Take journey. Take some road and go. You see medicine on the road. You enter. You don't know nothing. That thing enter your body. My brother, if you have some sickness, you go anywhere, you know they see any improvement. You try and come IAHB Herbal Center, Popo Station. We go help you for every problem I thought you have it. It be me again. It be Popo. If you see this forest, it be my father place be here. The place where old man him power they be that. All this forest, it be for my father. So here like this, if you want protection for liver and liver, if my father brought you here, you have protection for liver and liver. So the forest be that. If you enter this forest, you enter for protection for liver and liver. Devil people, bad person, anybody at all, he can't do you anything, he come to you again. So follow Popo and his father.